The components of a rack airflow management kit are a plastic extrusion and a flexible membrane. The flexible membrane inserts into the extrusion, and then the extrusion attaches to the rails in the cabinet to seal an opening. The extrusions are available in either a 45-degree angle or a 90-degree angle, and the flexible membrane is available in either a 2.5-inch, 4-inch, or 5.5-inch width. Very simple tools are required for cutting the components to length: a straight edge, a knife for cutting the flexible membrane, a saw for cutting the extrusion, obviously a tape measure, something to mark the lengths with, and a file or some other means to clean up the edges, get all the loose pieces off of the extrusion once it's cut. With the flexible membrane and extrusions cut to length, insert the membrane into the extrusion, and you now have a component ready for installation. Once all the components are cut, it's time for installation. The extrusion fits over the rail, and that portion of the ram kit is in place. There will be different lengths, of course, for the different spaces between braces and various components around the cabinet. So in determining where to install the ram kit in the cabinet, be sure to take a look at the top above the highest component and at the very bottom also. In some cabinets there's an opening below the lowest piece of equipment, and it's very important to seal that space as well.